Welcome to a demonstration on the new features in Trimble Business Center version 3.90. In this video we're going to go over the automatic point cloud classification feature. The automatic classification command can be found under the point cloud tab under classify regions. In the classify regions command there are 5 features that we can extract from a point cloud. These are buildings, ground, high vegetation, poles and signs, as well as power line features. There's also an option to merge all of the regions created from one feature. So in the case of buildings, you may have several building regions extracted. If the first option is selected, all of these building regions will be merged into one automatically. So I'll select a point cloud and hit extract. This process may take several minutes depending on the size of your point cloud. It's important to note that the classification quality is dependent on the density of the point cloud. The more dense your point cloud, the better extraction you're going to get. Now that the classification has been performed, you can see that we've extracted several different point cloud regions and they're colored based on the type of feature. So the buildings are colored blue, ground brown, high vegetation in green, the poles and signs are in red, as well as the power lines will be in yellow. So I'll zoom in here and you can see some of the classification that's been done on this particular data set. If I go into the View Filter Manager, you see the new regions that were created. I'll turn on the power line only, and you see extract the power lines. Next we'll look at the ground. Here is a good ground surface extracted. Next the buildings. And then finally we'll look at the default region. So one way to look at the default region is this can be some of the noise or objects that don't have a specific classification associated to the point cloud. So if you notice here, there's some poles as well as a structure that wasn't classified. Once again, this comes down to how the algorithm looks at the point cloud and finds features. You can also run this multiple times to get a better classification performed on declassified regions. This concludes the demonstration on the new classify regions command in Trimble Business Center version 3.90.